Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Black color, yellow color, green color, red color, white color, and the last one is blue. So kids, now we coloring numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and the last one is 20. So kids, now we coloring numbers. So kids, first we using blue color. 1 O-N-E 1. 2. The next number is 2. T-W-O 2. Kids, the next one is 3 and use black color. 3. Now we are coloring the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Kids, now we coloring the number of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, the next one is 5. 5. Kids, now we using yellow color. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, the next one is the number of 6. 6. S-I-X 6. Again we using yellow color. Now the number is 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. The next one is 8. So kids, now we using green color and draw the number of 8. 8. Now we are draw 9. The number of 9. Now we use again green color. 10. The number of 10. T-E-N 10. Kids, now we using red color and draw the number of 11. 11. Kids, now we are draw 11. Now we are coloring 12. 12. So kids, now we coloring the number of 13. 13. Now we using white color. 13. Kids, again we use white color and draw 14. The next one is 15 and we are using again blue color. Kids, now we draw 15, the number of 15. Now we draw 16. Kids, the next one is 17. We again use blue color. So kids, now we coloring 18. So kids, now we using black color. 18. Now we coloring the number of 18. Now we draw 19. So kids, the last one is 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.